Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth while others struggle their entire lives? Is it luck, connections, a secret formula? The truth is, success is not an accident. It's a result of specific daily habits that shape a person's mindset, discipline, and decision-making. Think about it. Why do billionaires like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Oprah Winfrey all have certain routines in common? They've discovered the secret formula, and today, I'm going to share it with you. Most people never achieve financial freedom because they ignore the small, consistent actions that build long-term wealth. But you won't make that mistake. You're here to learn, to grow, and to take action. These are the 10 habits of self-made millionaires. Habits that can completely change your financial future if you apply them consistently. Habit number 1. They wake up early. If you want to own your life, you need to own your mornings. The world's most successful people don't sleep in. They wake up before the sun to start their day with purpose. Studies show that 90% of self-made millionaires wake up before 6 a.m. Why? Because early hours equals zero distractions. Take Apple CEO Tim Cook. He wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to get ahead of the world. Oprah Winfrey begins her mornings with meditation and goal setting. Waking up early isn't just about more hours, it's about gaining control over your day before distractions creep in. When you wake up early, you have extra hours for personal growth, planning, and working on long-term goals. The difference between success and mediocrity, what you do before 8 a.m. So, are you willing to wake up and take control of your life? Start tomorrow. Set your alarm an hour earlier and see how much more productive you feel. Habit number 2. They read every day. Self-made millionaires never stop learning. They consume knowledge like fuel because they understand that what you know determines what you can achieve. Warren Buffett reads up to 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 1 book per week. Mark Cuban spends 3 hours daily reading and researching. Now, here's the secret. They don't read for entertainment. They read to learn, grow, and expand their mindset. Books like Think and Grow Rich, The Millionaire Next Door contain powerful financial wisdom that the wealthy use to their advantage. So, if you're not reading at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, you're missing out on free mentorship from the smartest minds in history. Successful people know your bank account grows at the same rate as your knowledge. And here's an important tip. Don't just read and forget. Apply what you learn. Take notes, summarize key lessons, and find ways to implement them into your daily life. Habit number 3. They set clear goals. Success isn't random, it's designed. Millionaires don't just hope for success, they plan for it with crystal clear goals. They don't rely on vague dreams like, I want to be rich. They define exactly what success looks like and create a roadmap to get there. Instead of saying, I want to make more money, they say, I will increase my income by 50% in the next 12 months by launching a side business and investing in real estate. The key is setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By breaking down big ambitions into manageable steps, they can track progress and adjust strategies as needed. Most importantly, millionaires review their goals daily. They visualize success, remind themselves why they started, and make adjustments to stay on track. I have a challenge for you. Write down 3 specific financial goals you want to achieve in the next 12 months and break them down into actionable steps. Habit number 4, they take massive action. Dreaming and planning are useless without action. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is that millionaires take immediate and massive action. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. Look at Jeff Bezos. He started Amazon in his garage, risking everything. Elon Musk put his fortune into Tesla and SpaceX when others doubted him. These people didn't wait for permission. They took the leap and adjusted as they went. Most people hesitate, overthink, or procrastinate. But successful people move forward despite uncertainty. They know failure is just a lesson, not an endpoint. What's one goal you've been waiting to start? Take action on it today. Habit number 5. They surround themselves with winners. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to be successful, you need to surround yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and push you to be better. Millionaires know this, which is why they carefully choose their inner circle. Successful people seek out mentors, mastermind groups, and high achievers who elevate their mindset. They actively avoid negativity, toxic relationships, and people who make excuses instead of taking action. Look at the world's top entrepreneurs. They spend time with other successful individuals who encourage growth, innovation, and resilience. They network, attend conferences, and build relationships with like-minded achievers. A strong support system isn't just about business. It's about emotional and mental growth too. When you surround yourself with winners, their habits, discipline, and drive become contagious. Identify the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they pushing you towards success or holding you back? Seek out one new high achiever to learn from. Habit number 6, they have multiple income streams. The average millionaire doesn't rely on just one paycheck. They diversify their income sources to protect themselves from financial instability. 65% of self-made millionaires have at least 3 income streams. Many have even more. Think about it. If you rely solely on your salary, what happens if you lose your job? Wealthy individuals never put all their eggs in one basket. They build multiple income sources that generate money while they sleep. They do this through investments, stocks, bonds, index funds, and dividend-paying stocks. Real estate, rental properties, Airbnb, flipping houses, businesses, online stores, consulting, freelancing, passive income streams, selling digital products, writing books, YouTube channels, and affiliate marketing. The goal is to replace active income with passive income over time. The more streams you create, the closer you get to financial freedom. Brainstorm at least one additional way you can start making money outside of your primary job. Take the first step today. Habit number 7, they practice discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. Millionaires don't rely on feeling inspired to get things done. Instead, they create daily habits that keep them consistent, no matter how they feel. Take Jocko Willink, a retired Navy SEAL and leadership expert. His motto, discipline equals freedom. Instead of waiting for motivation, he follows a strict daily routine that eliminates the need for willpower. Successful people understand that. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline ensures progress. Creating habits removes the need for constant decision-making. Small, consistent actions lead to massive long-term results. For example, if you only work out when you feel like it, you'll skip gym days. But if you make it non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth, you eliminate excuses. Identify one area where you need more discipline. Create a daily habit and commit to it for the next 30 days. Habit number 8. They prioritize health. Your health is your foundation for success. Without it, your energy, focus, and productivity suffer, no matter how much money you make. That's why millionaires make health a top priority in their daily routines. Successful people schedule workouts just like business meetings. Richard Branson claims daily exercise gives him 4 extra hours of productivity every day. Jeff Bezos follows a strict fitness routine to maintain energy for his demanding role. Beyond exercise, nutrition plays a vital role. Millionaires fuel their bodies with whole foods, avoid excessive sugar and processed junk, and stay hydrated. A healthy body leads to a sharp mind. Mental health is equally important. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and regular downtime help reduce stress and improve decision-making. Billionaires like Oprah Winfrey and Ray Dalio swear by daily meditation to keep their minds clear. Add 30 minutes of exercise to your daily routine for the next month and track how it affects your energy and focus. Habit number 9, they think long-term. Most people focus on short-term gains, but millionaires play the long game. They think years, even decades ahead, building wealth step by step instead of chasing quick wins. Instead of looking for fast money, they prioritize compounding growth, whether in business, investments, or personal development. Jeff Bezos spent over 20 years scaling Amazon, prioritizing long-term customer satisfaction over quick profits. Warren Buffett's investing philosophy is built around patience and compounding wealth over time. They also prepare for the unexpected. They invest in assets, diversify income, and adapt to new opportunities, ensuring they don't fall victim to economic downturns. Where will you be in 5 years if you start today? Write down a long-term vision for your financial and personal growth. Habit number 10, they never stop learning. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. Millionaires stay students for life. They understand that knowledge is power, and they never stop acquiring new skills, insights, and perspectives. Most successful people dedicate time every day to learning. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading books. Warren Buffett spends 30% of his day reading to stay ahead. They learn through books, podcasts, courses, and mentors. They attend conferences, take online courses, and constantly adapt to new trends and industries. The world is evolving, and those who refuse to learn get left behind. Learning is not just about knowledge, it's about applying it. The most successful people don't just read, they implement what they learn into their businesses, investments, and personal lives. Commit to learning something new every single day, whether it's reading a chapter of a book, listening to a podcast, or taking an online course. Apply at least one new lesson every week. Now that you know the 10 habits of self-made millionaires, which one will you start using today? Comment below. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode of The Rise Chronicles. And remember, success isn't about luck. It's about the choices you make every day.